Hey everyone, winter is here, and there's no excuse for starting the day with a dull breakfast. We're whipping up 7 anti-inflammatory breakfast ideas that'll warm you up from the inside out. Inflammation can leave you feeling fatigued and achy, but don't reach for sugary cereals. We're taking control with real, wholesome foods. Breakfast fuels your engine and sets you up for success. Get ready to upgrade your morning routine with these 7 incredible anti-inflammatory breakfast recipes. Let's kick things off with a classic that's anything but boring. Imagine starting your day with a bowl of something warm, comforting, and incredibly nutritious. We're talking about warm turmeric oatmeal, a breakfast that not only tastes amazing but also packs a punch of health benefits. First, ditch that cow's milk and grab some unsweetened almond milk for a creamy texture. Almond milk is not only dairy-free but also adds a subtle nutty flavor that complements the spices perfectly. Now for the star of the show, turmeric. This vibrant yellow spice is known for its anti-inflammatory properties and can give your oatmeal a beautiful golden hue. This golden spice is a powerhouse for fighting inflammation and boosting your immune system. Next up, cinnamon and ginger. These spices not only add warmth and depth of flavor but also come with their own set of health benefits. They add warmth and depth of flavor, plus their own anti-inflammatory benefits. Cinnamon can help regulate blood sugar levels, while ginger aids in digestion. For a touch of natural sweetness, a drizzle of honey does the trick. Honey not only sweetens your oatmeal but also has antibacterial properties. Don't use those instant oatmeal packets filled with artificial flavors and sugar. They might be convenient, but they lack the nutritional value of whole rolled oats. We're using rolled oats here, full of fiber to keep you feeling full and satisfied throughout the morning. Combine your almond milk, turmeric, cinnamon, and ginger in a saucepan and bring it to a simmer. This allows the flavors to meld together beautifully. Stir in your rolled oats and let it cook until it reaches your desired consistency. Keep stirring occasionally to prevent it from sticking to the bottom. You want it creamy, not wallpaper paste. The key is to find that perfect balance where the oats are tender, but not mushy. Once it's ready, spoon that golden goodness into a bowl and drizzle with honey. You can also add a splash of almond milk on top for extra creaminess. Take a bite. Close your eyes, and feel the warmth spread through you. It's like a hug in a bowl. This is how you start the day right. A nutritious breakfast sets the tone for a productive and energetic day. The best part? This warm turmeric oatmeal is versatile. You can customize it to suit your taste and nutritional needs. Add different toppings like chopped nuts, seeds, or yogurt. These additions not only enhance the flavor but also add extra nutrients. Get creative in the kitchen and make it your own. Experiment with different combinations to keep things exciting. This breakfast is quick, easy, and packed with nutrients. Perfect for those busy mornings when you need something fast but healthy. It's so good you'll want to eat it every day. Make it a staple in your morning routine and enjoy the benefits of a wholesome, delicious breakfast. Next up, we've got a breakfast that's so easy even a donkey could make it. This is chia pudding with berries and walnuts, perfect for prepping ahead for hectic mornings. Chia seeds might be tiny but they're packed with fiber, omega-3 fatty acids, and antioxidants. They're also loaded with anti-inflammatory properties. We're using coconut milk for this recipe, which adds natural sweetness and creaminess. Now, for the berries. Blueberries, raspberries, strawberries, whatever you can get your hands on. Berries are bursting with antioxidants and flavor. To add some crunch and healthy fats, we're finishing things off with a sprinkle of walnuts. Walnuts are a great source of omega-3s, known for their anti-inflammatory benefits. To make this breakfast, combine your chia seeds and coconut milk in a jar or container. Give it a good stir, then pop it in the fridge overnight. In the morning, top your chia pudding with a generous handful of berries and walnuts. If you're feeling fancy, a drizzle of honey or a sprinkle of cinnamon never hurts. This breakfast is quick, easy, and packed with nutrients. Listen up, we're about to spice things up with ginger-spiced quinoa porridge, a breakfast that will transport your taste buds straight to the tropics. Quinoa is a nutritional powerhouse, a complete protein, and gluten-free. It's perfect for those looking to start their day with a healthy boost. We're cooking our quinoa in coconut milk for natural sweetness and creaminess. The coconut milk adds a rich tropical flavor that pairs perfectly with the spices. For a flavor explosion, we're adding ground ginger and cinnamon. These spices not only enhance the taste but also bring a warm, comforting aroma to your kitchen. Ginger is known for its anti-inflammatory properties, while cinnamon helps regulate blood sugar levels. Together, they create a harmonious blend that's both delicious and beneficial for your health. For toppings, we're going for sliced almonds, which add a satisfying crunch and healthy fats. These nuts not only enhance the texture but also provide essential nutrients. Almonds are a great source of protein and fiber, making this breakfast even more nutritious. Feel free to get creative. Toasted coconut flakes, chopped dates, or even fresh fruits can be added to elevate the flavor and nutritional profile of your porridge. Or nut butter would be great. A spoonful of almond or peanut butter can add a creamy texture and extra protein. To make this breakfast, rinse your quinoa under cold water to remove any bitterness. This step is crucial for achieving the best flavor. Combine it with coconut milk, ground ginger, and cinnamon in a saucepan. The mixture will start to fill your kitchen with a delightful aroma. Bring it to a boil, then reduce heat and simmer for about 15 to 20 minutes, or until the quinoa is cooked through and the liquid is absorbed. Stir occasionally to prevent sticking. The quinoa will become tender and infused with the flavors of the coconut milk and spices. Once it's ready, spoon that creamy, spiced goodness into a bowl and top with your sliced almonds. The combination of textures and flavors is simply irresistible. This porridge is so good it'll have you licking the bowl clean. It's a breakfast that feels indulgent but is actually packed with nutrients. This breakfast is quick, easy, and packed with nutrients. It's perfect for busy mornings when you need something wholesome and delicious. It's so good, you'll want to eat it every day. Start your mornings with this tropical twist on a classic porridge, and you'll be energized and ready to take on the day. We're about to dive into a breakfast that's as delicious as it is nutritious. Avocado and smoked salmon on whole grain toast, a breakfast fit for royalty. Ditch that white bread. We're using whole grain toast, packed with fiber and nutrients. It'll keep you feeling fuller for longer and provide sustained energy. Now for the stars of the show, avocado and smoked salmon. Avocados are loaded with healthy fats, fiber, and potassium. They're also a great source of anti-inflammatory compounds. Smoked salmon is packed with omega-3 fatty acids known for their powerful anti-inflammatory effects. To assemble, toast your whole grain bread to your liking. Mash half an avocado onto each slice of toast. Top with a generous portion of smoked salmon and season with a pinch of black pepper. This breakfast is quick, easy, and packed with nutrients. Get your blenders ready because we're about to whip up a golden milk smoothie. It's packed with anti-inflammatory ingredients that will have you feeling your best. We're starting with a base of creamy almond milk, naturally dairy-free and a good source of vitamin E. Next, we're adding a banana for natural sweetness and creaminess. Bananas are also a good source of potassium, which helps regulate blood pressure. Now, for the golden touch turmeric. This spice is a powerhouse for fighting inflammation. To enhance the flavor and add more anti-inflammatory benefits, we're adding ground ginger and cinnamon. Ginger soothes the digestive system, while cinnamon helps regulate blood sugar levels. For a final touch of warmth and a hint of spice, we're adding a dash of black pepper. To make this smoothie, combine all ingredients in a blender and blend until smooth and creamy. If you prefer a thinner consistency, add a splash more almond milk. Who's ready for some pancakes? Today we're diving into a recipe that's both sweet and savory, perfect for any meal of the day. These are sweet potato pancakes and they're here to revolutionize your breakfast game. Imagine the perfect blend of flavors and textures all in one delightful bite. We're using sweet potatoes as the base, adding natural sweetness and a boost of nutrition. Sweet potatoes are not only delicious but also incredibly versatile. Sweet potatoes are an excellent source of vitamin A, vitamin C, and fiber. They provide a rich, creamy texture that makes these pancakes stand out. To bind everything together and add a bit of protein, we're using almond flour. This not only makes the pancakes gluten-free but also adds a subtle, nutty flavor. Almond flour is a great gluten-free alternative to traditional wheat flour, and it adds a slightly nutty flavor. It's perfect for those looking to avoid gluten without sacrificing taste. For a touch of warmth and spice, we're adding ground cinnamon. This spice not only enhances the flavor but also brings a comforting aroma to your kitchen. Cinnamon enhances the flavor and helps regulate blood sugar levels. It's a small addition that makes a big difference in both taste and health benefits. To make these pancakes, steam or bake your sweet potatoes until tender. This step ensures that the sweet potatoes are soft and easy to mash. Once they're cool enough to handle, peel and mash them in a bowl. The smoother the mash, the better the texture of your pancakes. Add almond flour, eggs, cinnamon, and a pinch of salt. These ingredients come together to create a batter that's both nutritious and delicious. Mix everything until well combined. The batter should be smooth and slightly thick, perfect for making fluffy pancakes. Heat a lightly oiled griddle or skillet over medium heat. This ensures that your pancakes cook evenly and don't stick to the pan. Pour 1/4 cup of batter onto the hot griddle for each pancake. This size is perfect for flipping and ensures they cook through evenly. Cook for 2 to 3 minutes per side, or until golden brown and cooked through. The key is to be patient and let them cook slowly to achieve that perfect golden color. These pancakes are delicious on their own, but you can also top them with fresh fruit, yogurt, or honey. The possibilities are endless, making them a versatile addition to any meal. Let's finish strong with a breakfast that's as simple as it is satisfying. This is Greek yogurt with pomegranate and pumpkin seeds, packed with protein, antioxidants, and healthy fats. We're starting with Greek yogurt, a nutritional powerhouse. It's packed with protein, calcium, and probiotics, which support gut health. Next, we're adding pomegranate seeds for a burst of flavor and antioxidants. Pomegranates are known for their anti-inflammatory properties. For a satisfying crunch and a dose of healthy fats, we're topping with pumpkin seeds. Pumpkin seeds are a good source of magnesium, zinc, and omega-3 fatty acids. To assemble, spoon Greek yogurt into a bowl and top with pomegranate seeds and pumpkin seeds. This breakfast is so easy you can prepare it the night before and grab it on your way out the door. Well, there you have it. 7 incredible anti-inflammatory breakfast recipes to start your day right. If you enjoyed these recipes, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more delicious and nutritious recipes. Don't forget to hit that notification bell so you never miss a new video. Until next time, stay healthy, stay happy, and keep cooking up a storm.